What if you could light up a room without electricity or candles? Sounds like a superhero power, right? But in the natural world, this is a common phenomenon known as bioluminescence. From the depths of the ocean to the forest floor, a variety of organisms have this incredible ability to produce their own light, each for a unique purpose. It's a spectacle of nature that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of nature's very own light show. Bioluminescence is like nature's magic trick, a spectacle of light that leaves us in awe. It's not just about glowing in the dark, it's about survival, communication, and deception. From the smallest single-celled organisms to the largest predators of the deep sea, bioluminescence is a common and diverse phenomenon. These living organisms, like fireflies, jellyfish, and even some fungi, create a stunning array of colors and patterns, each with its own purpose. It's used to attract mates, lure prey, or ward off predators. It's a light show that's not just beautiful, but also full of purpose and strategy. So from the deep sea to the night sky, bioluminescence is a testament to nature's ingenuity. It's a reminder that even in the darkest corners of the world, life finds a way to shine. Up next, we'll dive into the science behind this natural spectacle. Stay tuned. Have you ever wondered what makes a firefly glow or a jellyfish shine in the dark waters? The answer lies in the chemistry of life. The secret behind the glow of a firefly or the shine of a jellyfish is a phenomenon called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism as a result of a biochemical reaction. It's nature's own light show, and it's all thanks to a few key ingredients. The star of the show is a molecule called luciferin. Luciferin is the light-emitting compound. It's like the filament of a light bulb, ready and waiting to shine. However, luciferin can't do it alone. It needs a helping hand, and that's where our second key player steps in, luciferase. Luciferase is an enzyme, a biological catalyst. It speeds up the reaction, ensuring that the light show can go on. But even with these two key players, the stage isn't quite set. There's one more crucial element needed to kickstart this reaction: energy. In comes ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is often referred to as the energy currency of the cell. It's like the battery that powers the light bulb. When ATP interacts with luciferin under the guidance of luciferase, it provides the energy needed for the light emission. The process goes as follows. Luciferin is oxidized by the enzyme luciferase, with ATP providing the needed energy. The reaction releases light and results in an excited state of the luciferin molecule. This excited state is unstable, and when the molecule returns to its stable state, it releases energy in the form of light. Oxygen plays a vital role in this process. It's the spark that sets off the reaction. Oxygen interacts with luciferin, facilitated by luciferase, to produce an excited state molecule that emits light as it returns to its ground state. So the next time you see a firefly, remember there's a little chemical magic happening right there. It's a beautiful dance of molecules, energy, and light, a testament to the complexity and wonder of life on Earth. In the dark depths of the ocean, bioluminescence is more than just a pretty light show. It's a survival tool. For the creatures that dwell in the deep sea, where sunlight is a distant dream, bioluminescence is their lifeline. It is their beacon in the dark, their guide, their weapon, and their shield. The deep-sea creatures wield this light with precision and purpose, turning it into a tool for survival in an environment where the stakes are high and the margin for error is slim. Let's explore the role of bioluminescence in predator-prey interactions. For some, like the anglerfish, bioluminescence is a cunning lure, a trap set for the unsuspecting prey. The glow of the anglerfish's lure is irresistible, drawing prey towards it like moths to a flame. In the blink of an eye, the predator's gaping jaws snap shut, and the prey's fate is sealed. For others, like the lanternfish, bioluminescence serves as a cloak of invisibility, a defense mechanism against predators. By matching the dim light filtering from above, the lanternfish renders itself virtually invisible, turning its underbelly into a mirror that reflects the darkness below. In the predator's eyes, the lanternfish disappears against the backdrop of the deep sea, escaping detection and potential danger. Then there are those that use bioluminescence as a form of communication. Squids, for instance, use their bioluminescent signals to communicate with each other, sending out messages that are visible only to their own kind. These signals can convey a range of information, from warning signs of danger to mating calls, all conveyed through the language of light. And when all else fails, bioluminescence can serve as a last-ditch effort to escape. The vampire squid, when threatened, releases a cloud of bioluminescent particles, creating a dazzling light show that confuses predators and gives the squid a chance to escape. Bioluminescence is not just a beautiful anomaly of nature, it's a beacon of survival in the dark depths of the ocean. It's a testament to the resourcefulness and resilience of life on Earth, even in the most challenging of environments. The deep ocean is a place of darkness, but not for the creatures that call it home. For them, bioluminescence is the light at the end of the tunnel. Imagine a world where darkness reigns supreme, where the sun's rays never reach. This is the world of the deep sea, a realm shrouded in perpetual night. But within this darkness, a spectacular light show takes place, orchestrated by the masters of bioluminescence. Let's take the anglerfish, for instance, a creature that seems to be taken straight from a science fiction book. Its dangling lure, glowing with a light produced by bioluminescent bacteria, acts as an irresistible bait for unsuspecting prey. In the deep sea, this glowing beacon is a deadly trap, a trick of light that ends in the anglerfish's gaping, toothy maw. Then there's the lanternfish, a small creature with an enormous impact. With light-producing organs lining their underbelly, they create an illusion called counter-illumination. By matching the dim light filtering from above, they render themselves virtually invisible to predators lurking below, turning their bioluminescence into a cloak of invisibility. And let's not forget the squids. Many species, like the bobtail squid, have formed symbiotic relationships with bioluminescent bacteria. These bacteria live inside a special light organ in the squid's mantle, where they produce a bluish light that the squid uses for camouflage, communication, and hunting. Even more fascinating is the vampire squid, an animal that can turn itself into a living disco ball. When disturbed, it releases a cloud of bioluminescent particles, creating a dazzling light show that confuses predators and allows the squid to escape. These examples barely scratch the surface of the multitude of deep-sea creatures using bioluminescence. Each species has its unique glow, its distinct light pattern, all contributing to an underwater spectacle that rivals any on land. The deep sea might be a dark place, but thanks to bioluminescence, it's a spectacle of lights. Have you ever considered how creatures in the deep communicate? For some, bioluminescence is not just a survival tool, but a language, a way to communicate in the dark. Bioluminescence is like the Morse code of the deep sea, a unique language of light, understood only by those who speak it. For example, consider the squid, a deep sea dweller that uses bioluminescence for communication. Squids can change the intensity and pattern of their glow to convey different messages. A sudden bright flash might signal danger, while a slow, pulsating glow could be an invitation for mating. It's a complex language of light, understood only by their kind. And then there's the fascinating world of bioluminescent mating rituals. Take the example of fireflies, which use their bioluminescent abilities to attract mates. Each firefly species has its unique flash pattern, like a love song written in light. The males flash their lights in a specific sequence to attract females of their species. The females, in turn, respond with their own light signals. This back and forth is not just a beautiful light show, but a conversation, a dance of attraction and courtship, all happening in the language of light. So as we delve deeper into the mysteries of bioluminescence, we find that it's not just about survival or creating a spectacle of lights. It's also about communication. It's about expressing danger, conveying attraction, and creating a sense of community in the deep, dark sea. Bioluminescence is not just a light show, it's a language, a way for creatures to communicate in the dark. So next time you marvel at the spectacle of bioluminescent creatures, remember, you're not just witnessing a light show, but a conversation happening in nature's secret language of light. Bioluminescence isn't just about survival, it's also about sending signals. For some creatures, glowing is the equivalent of a neon sign. In the vast diversity of life on Earth, there are those that have mastered the art of communication with light. Yes, you heard that right, light. These creatures use bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon where light is produced and emitted by a living organism. It's like their own language, a Morse code of the wild, where each flash or glow carries a specific message. Take fireflies, for instance. These tiny insects are like poets of the night, using their glow to write love letters in the dark. Each species of firefly has its own unique flashing pattern. This isn't just for show, but a sophisticated form of communication used during courtship. The males flash their lights in a specific sequence to attract females of their species. The females, in turn, respond with their own light signals, creating a spectacular light show that is, in essence, a conversation of love and attraction. In the same vein, let's turn our attention to the humble glowworm. Now here's a creature that uses its glow to lure in its prey. The glowworm dangles sticky, glowing threads from the roof of its cave. The light attracts insects, which then get trapped in the sticky threads. It's a clever, if somewhat gruesome, dinner invitation. The deep-sea anglerfish is another example of how bioluminescence can be used as an enticing beacon. This fish has a luminescent lure that dangles in front of its mouth, attracting unsuspecting prey right to its jaws. Talk about a fatal attraction. These natural neon signs are more than just beautiful displays. They are vital tools of survival, communication, and reproduction in the natural world. They allow creatures to find mates, lure prey, and even scare off predators. It's a fascinating insight into the variety and creativity of nature's survival strategies. So the next time you see a firefly flashing in the night or hear about the deep-sea creatures and their glowing lures, remember, it's not just about the light, it's about the message the light carries. Who needs words when you can communicate with light, right? Bioluminescence is not just a natural phenomenon, it's a beacon of hope for scientific discovery. The soft glow of bioluminescence, which lights up the deep sea and the forest floor, is not just a spectacle of nature, but a potential game-changer in the world of science and technology. The applications of bioluminescence are vast and varied, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. Picture this: a world where bioluminescence aids medical diagnostics, where the soft glow of bioluminescent organisms helps detect diseases in their early stages, potentially saving countless lives. Imagine sustainable biolights, where the streets are illuminated not by energy-consuming bulbs, but by trees infused with bioluminescent genes. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But these are not mere fantasies. Scientists around the world are making strides in harnessing the power of bioluminescence to create sustainable light sources, which could revolutionize the way we light up our world. Bioluminescence is also inspiring new technologies. Researchers are exploring ways to use bioluminescence to create self-lighting plants, bioluminescent paint, and even glow-in-the-dark tattoos. The potential of bioluminescence is immense, and it's up to us to unlock it. Bioluminescence is not just a beautiful anomaly of nature, it's a beacon of inspiration for scientific discovery. It's a testament to the wonders of nature and the potential of human ingenuity. So the next time you marvel at the glow of a firefly or the luminescence of a deep-sea creature, remember, that glow could be the key to a brighter, more sustainable future. The glow of bioluminescence isn't just confined to the natural world, it's also lighting up the path of scientific discovery and innovation. Just imagine, the same mesmerizing glow that lights up the ocean depths and forest floors is now finding its way into our labs and industries. Bioluminescence has become a powerful tool in the hands of scientists, opening up new avenues in research and development. Take medicine, for instance. Using genetically engineered bioluminescent bacteria, researchers can track the spread of diseases within the body in real time. This could lead to early detection of life-threatening conditions, potentially saving countless lives. In biotechnology, bioluminescence is used to understand cellular processes. Scientists use bioluminescent proteins to tag certain cells, helping them visualize biological reactions as they occur. This could revolutionize our understanding of how cells function, paving the way for breakthroughs in treatments for diseases like cancer. But the applications of bioluminescence stretch beyond medicine. In the field of environmental science, bioluminescent organisms are being used to detect pollution. Certain bioluminescent microorganisms react to the presence of toxic substances in water by dimming their glow, providing a simple yet effective way to monitor water quality. And let's not forget the potential for energy-efficient lighting. Imagine a world where the streets are illuminated by trees infused with bioluminescent genes, or buildings lit up by bioluminescent paint. It may sound like science fiction, but researchers are already exploring these possibilities. The potential applications of bioluminescence are as vast as the ocean depths where many of these glowing creatures reside. With every new discovery, we're not just learning more about these fascinating organisms, but also uncovering innovative ways to harness their glow. The beauty of bioluminescence goes beyond its captivating glow. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a source of inspiration for scientists, and a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie within our natural world. The glow of nature might just be the beacon of progress in the world of science. The future of bioluminescence is bright, with endless possibilities for scientific discovery and innovation. As we step into the future, we can expect bioluminescence to light up new paths. Imagine a world where bioluminescent bacteria are used to clean up oil spills, where bioluminescent plants light up our cities, reducing our dependence on electrical lighting, and where bioluminescent proteins help us to detect and fight diseases before they become life-threatening. The possibilities are as captivating as the organisms that inspired them. Researchers are already exploring ways to use bioluminescence to create sustainable and energy-efficient light sources. Think of bioluminescent trees lining our streets, replacing street lamps, or bioluminescent algae used in lamps, providing a natural light source that doesn't require electricity. In medicine, the use of bioluminescent markers in imaging could revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. These markers could help doctors to track the progression of diseases, allowing for earlier intervention and potentially saving lives. And in environmental science, bioluminescent organisms could serve as living sensors, helping us to monitor and protect our ecosystems. As we continue to explore the potential of bioluminescence, we can expect to see it illuminating more and more aspects of our lives. The future of bioluminescence is bright, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. As we delve deeper into the world of bioluminescence, the glow of this natural phenomenon promises to shed light on new discoveries and innovations, illuminating our path towards a brighter, more sustainable future. From the deep sea to the night sky, bioluminescence is a testament to nature's ingenuity. A captivating spectacle of light in the darkest of environments, it's a phenomenon that leaves us in awe every time. We've journeyed through the science behind this natural light show, delving into the biochemical reactions that allow organisms to produce their own light. We've explored the depths of the ocean, where bioluminescent creatures light up the abyss, serving as nature's neon signs for communication, hunting, and defense. We've marveled at the terrestrial organisms too, like the fireflies that paint the summer nights with their enchanting glow. Beyond the spectacle, we've also looked at the potential of bioluminescence. From illuminating the dark corners of our understanding in medical diagnostics to lighting up our future with sustainable biolights, the applications are as diverse as they are promising. Bioluminescence is not just a beautiful anomaly of nature, it's a beacon of inspiration, a testament to nature's ability to adapt, survive, and thrive in the most unexpected ways. It's a reminder that there is still so much to uncover, so many mysteries waiting to be illuminated by our curiosity. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And if you're fascinated by the wonders of science and nature, make sure to subscribe to Brainiacata. Until our next exploration, keep the curiosity alive and remember there's always more to learn.